PS center, radius is equal to 60 mm. Draw an arc. Take RS center, radius is equal to again 60 mm. Mark a arc. Your right angle is divided into 3 equal number of angles. So this is very simple problem. By performing this kind of problem, you may obtain 7 marks. Now we will proceed further to another next problem. The problem is projection of lines. Now it is given that line AB is 100 mm long, making angle of 30 degree with the HP, 45 degree with the VP. We need to draw projections, and it is given that point A is on the XY line. So first we will write the given data. AB is equal to 100 mm, theta is given as 30 degree, theta is equal to angle with HP, and alpha is given as 45 degree, that is angle with elevation. Now one more thing is given. Point A is on XY line. So this is our, all this is our given data. We need to take projections of this. So what we are going to do firstly we are going to do and draw a XY line. This is a perpendicular line. Now it has been given that point A is on XY line. Angle with HP is given. Angle with HP is given as 30 degree. So we will use the protractor. Mark the point at 30 degree. One more thing is given is AB is equal to 100 mm. So we have got the angle and we have got the true length. So we will draw a line of 100 mm. This is, it is we called as TL is equal to 100. Now from this from this line, it is our length AB. From AB line I need to draw a perpendicular line. So if I want to make a perpendicular line, then I will mark point at 60 degree. I have taken the projection of AB. This point will be called as B1 dash. Now we have got one more thing. We have got the angle with elevation. We have got angle with elevation, that is 45 degree. But we don't know the length of this elevation. So what we are going to do, we are going to draw a projection line of 45 degree of any random length. Now what would be our next step? Take AB dash as radius, A as center, A as center, cut the arc, this arc you have obtained with use of compass. Cut the arc, and this line have intersected with the elevation line. So we have got our projection of elevation we have received. Now we need to draw a parallel line to XY line for obtaining the true length. We know that AB is 100 mm and that would be somewhere around on this line. We know the length, so we can do one thing. We can take radius as 100 mm, radius as 100 mm, A as center, and mark an arc on the parallel line to the XY. We have marked this arc. Join the arc with point A. The point we have received is called B dash. That would be of true length 100 mm. Okay. Now we need to draw a perpendicular line to XY line from the elevation line. So we are going to take the projections of elevation line and we are going to make a perpendicular line from point B, that is over here. We are going to draw a line of point B from here. (90 degree). We have got the projection. As we all know that plan and elevation have the same projection, so we are having projection of the elevation over here, so our plan would be on the same length. We will name this point as B and name this point as B dash. And this angle is alpha is equal to 45 degrees. This angle theta is equal to 30 degree. So in this problem we just need to draw the projections, and we drawn the projections of the true length. We got elevation and we got plan. So this problem is finished. It is very simple. First you need to draw the theta and true length, then take the projections over here and make an arc. You have the alpha as 45 degree. Okay, by intersecting point you will get elevation. Draw an parallel line to the XY and make an arc of 100 mm over here. You will get point B dash. You have got true length on both sides. Now we are only remaining is the plan. Take the projection of plan. You have got the projection of true length AB in the plan side. You just need to draw point B on the intersecting part and your projections will be finished. Now we will proceed further for the next problem. It is also about the projections of line only. In this problem it is given that elevation and plan length are given. So what are the given data? First we will write what are the given data. We have got elevation is equal to 60 mm. Okay, plan is equal to 70 mm. True length of line MN is given as 100 mm. One more thing they have given is the location of point M is equal to, they have given that point M is on HP and 10 mm in front of VP. This is not yet end. We have to find something more. We need to find angle with HP, that is theta. We need to find. We also need to find angle with VP, that is phi. We need to find these two things, and this is given data. All the projections of line problem starting only from the drawing line XY only. XY line should be properly horizontal. We have drawn line XY. You must have studied projections of point, so we need to look at point M. It is given that the point M is on HP 10 mm in front of VP. So point M is on HP, but it is 10 mm in front of VP. In front of VP means that it is located below XY line. I am marking the dimensions also here. for your convenience. This point is called M. Now we have got two things. We have got elevation of 60 mm. So we will draw a line of 60 mm from here, from point M, that is on VP. We have got elevation as 70. We are drawing the projections of it on line XY only. I am giving the dimensions over here also. This length is 60. This length is 70. It is only given in the data only. I have done nothing at all. These things are given in the data only. Now make the projection of elevation on XY line. Make projection of elevation on XY line. Take M dash N dash as radius and draw a semicircular arc. Now it is also given that elevation is 70 mm. Draw projections of elevation on bottom side.